1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hi everyone, it's Kato here, or Caitlin, depending on where you know me from. And in today's video, we are scrapbooking. I am so excited. We are doing a Harry Potter themed scrapbook with some interactive items. So first off, what I used some leaf stickers. I used a magic spells witch notebook, which is so cool. I had some twine there. I also used some cute little mushroom stickers. I then used a vintage recipe, pieces of sheet that you can just buy. I got some old card, and I also got some retro strip stickers too. So to start it off, I just honestly made a little random opening section with a load of newspaper, a card that just said this diary belongs to, and then my name. I will show everything at the very end, but just to start everything off, I am going to be talking about what I did. I didn't create this was online, but I printed out a Hogwarts school envelope and letter, which actually made my dreams come true, to be honest. So I cut everything out. I will link this in the description, by the way, the website to grab this, but I just cut it out. I got two pieces so you couldn't see the white paper coming through. I then just folded that into the stencil that it provided, which made this really sweet little envelope, and I thought it was so cute. I just glued the sides, and you can pop in the letter that you folded. So once that was done, I just glued that to the page. And yeah, it's so cute. Also added some stickers to that, but that will be later. I then made a Marauders map. Now, I made this ages ago, and I thought, oh, I'll stick this in because this will be a cute little addition. So if you want to see how to make that, let me know and I will. But for now, yeah, it's just how it is. So the next thing which I did, I made a Molly Weasley's recipe page, but it was pretty simple really. I just used what I had and just really made it up as I went along. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I'm gonna add some cool music, and yeah, I'll see you at the end.
Mental, that one, I'm telling you.
Right then. Right. Okay. Gryffindor!
So for what you haven't seen, I created a herbology section and a magical cave creature section. So I just printed out some wormwood and mandrake notes which I found online, which is super cool. I added some plants, some green tape, and I did the same for Care of Magical Creatures. Just like rough notes really, as if I was a student. For the signs, I made them on Canva because they're not real crumpled paper, although they do look it and I added the twine to that. So all of the text that you see is from Canva, and the same for Molly Weasley's recipes. I added cute little peg sticks as well, I thought would give a nice touch. And yeah, just as if she's handed me down these recipes. They were just sort of chocolate, I think one's for shrimp and turkey, and then chocolate almond bars. Yeah, and I had some cute little mushrooms. I don't think I'm done with this because there's a huge space underneath. I think I'll add something else, but I'm not sure yet. But for now, that's what I did. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything will be linked in the description below if you want any of this stuff. Leave a like, comment if you want, and make sure to subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.